If you are looking for an AI tool to create content faster, you have probably come across Anti-Gravity and AI Studio. But which one is actually better for you? In this video, I'll compare both tools quickly so you can decide which one is worth your time. What is Anti-Gravity? Anti-Gravity is an AI-powered platform mainly focused on automation and content generation. It helps you create things like marketing content, social media posts, basic AI workflows. The main idea behind Anti-Gravity is to save time by automating repetitive tasks. It's simple to use and doesn't require technical experience. Best for beginners, marketers, and quick content creation. What is AI Studio? AI Studio is a more advanced and flexible AI platform. It usually offers custom AI tools, more control over outputs, integration with different AI models. Compared to Anti-Gravity, AI Studio is built for users who want more customization and deeper control. Best for developers, creators, and advanced users. Key differences: ease of use. Anti-Gravity, very beginner friendly. AI Studio, more complex, takes time to learn. Features and flexibility. Anti-Gravity, limited but simple features. AI Studio, more powerful and customizable. Use cases: Anti-Gravity, quick content automation. AI Studio, advanced projects, custom workflows. Learning curve: Anti-Gravity, almost none. AI Studio, medium to high. Pros and cons: Anti-Gravity Pros: easy to use, fast results, great for beginners. Anti-Gravity Cons: limited advanced features, less customization. AI Studio Pros: more powerful tools, high customization, better for complex tasks. AI Studio Cons: not beginner friendly, can be overwhelming. Final verdict and conclusion. So which one should you choose? Choose Anti-Gravity if you want something simple, fast, and easy. Choose AI Studio if you need more control and advanced features. At the end of the day, it depends on your experience level and what you are trying to build. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick AI comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which tool you prefer. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.